Check this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Yeah, boy. Bang, bang, uppercut, jab, jab, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Let's get into it. You see it. That new mat looks dope. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But I think I'm gonna get the bigger size. I got the 18 by 12. I think I'm gonna get the 24. The bigger one. I don't know what size it was. But it's longer. It's twice as long. But just as wide. Let's get right into it, y'all. New mat. New tool haul. 3 items from Amazon. 1 from Wally World, from the Walmart, the DooHickee. So I got the Vantage cutting mat. Looks alright, but when you get back a little ways, right? That's why I'm gonna send it back and get the 24. Cover more surface area, it'll look nicer. But for now, this work. And the mat came from Amazon. The Gerber Parafreame. I got this to match the mini Parafreame that I have. Bam. Bam. So I'm gonna have mama and the baby. I already got a mullet, so I'll have 2 of those. And I got these aluminum storage tube containers. Came with 3 carabiners. So now I got 3 extra spare carabiners. I can use these as pill tubes, toothpicks, Q-tips, whatever you want to put in them. And the DooHickee. The DooHickee comes with a bottle opener, 2 wrenches, 5/16 and a quarter right there. Flat bits, 3.5 millimeter, 5.5 millimeter. Pry tool, scoring point, ratchet. This thing right here ratchets, y'all. Dope. Go get you a DooHickee. Phillips bits, number 1 and 2. Ruler, 2 inches, 1, 2. You can see the 2 mark right there by my finger. Carabiner clip. Let's get into it, y'all. Set you up, see what we got. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. My light just gave out. Sorry. But, as people say that make real videos, real life happens, you know? Shoot, my wife might come in here. Guess what? I'm gonna keep on recording. Okay, out of the way. Open it with my heart. Yeah, let's do these first. Baby carabiners, nice. Little catutas, nice. Put those up there. Little carabinis, put them up there. Little 2. think these were like $3.99. So, yeah, I'm gonna fill those up. And slide it in. Put it in the pouch. And put that in there just like a pencil. Bam. Just like a pen. Fits like a glove. So I'm gonna have to fill that. And I'll put one in my main, which will be this black one. I got one in there, so I'll leave this one in here. Put one in my other, and I think I got another pouch on the way. I think I got the Viperade something on the way that I'll put these two in. Save the bags. Shave 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 the bags. So you should be able to travel with the DooHickee. There's no knife on it. There's no sharp point. So you should be able to travel with this thing. But this thing is gnarly. Hear that? I don't know how many teeth it is. Doesn't say. Probably 30, 38, something like that. I don't know, 32. So you just pop this out right here. Or maybe you flip it. Maybe you just flip it. So it's got arrows, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Bits pop out fine. I like the black anodized coating. I like. I'm sure the flap will go in just as. I mean, it's not the easiest to get the bits out, but that's, you know, over time it should loosen up, so. Scoring tip, and then you just put the bits back in here. This is gonna be handy because I'm pretty sure, hopefully, these bits fit. So if I were to carry both of these, I'll have some action. But I really don't need this. Maybe for leverage. Carabiner. Clip that on. Oh, the ruler's got millimeter on the other side. Millimeters on this side. Inches on this side. Nice. Bottle opener. Gotta have a bottle opener. Gotta have a bottle opener. And that's about it. Ruler, carabiner clip, ratchet, pry bar, scoring. Nice. Oh.
You have a choice between saving one person and saving every world. You can do both. Stop him. This isn't what we talked about. I can't lose one more friend. Everyone keeps telling me how my story is supposed to go. But I'm fighting. I want to take
So I don't like that. So the 1/4" bits don't fit. Quarter-inch bits don't fit like it is in me heart. Right. So that's the DooHickee, the DooHickee. Bink. Parafreame. Parafreame mini. Mama and the baby. Stiff. Same. Stiff. Both have the same pocket clip. I'm gonna have to get a silver little lanyard for it to match. Feels good in the hand, all that good stuff. But I guess I'll keep it. I originally got this set because I thought the carabiner the mullet was black. Then I found out that it was the same color as my other one. Because if it was black, then I'd have a stone, wash, and a black. Now I got two with the same thing. That's why I don't know if I'm gonna keep. But everybody knows about the mullet. Here's all the features on the mullet. 1/4" hex. Oh yeah, that's the one. So the bit doesn't fit in here in the DooHickee like it does in the mullet. Okay, here's the rest of the features. Pry bar, small flat, wire stripper, large flat head. Phillips, scraper, delt clip, bottle opener, knife, plain edge, clip point, frame lock, pocket clip. Okay. So that's everything. That's everything, I think. That's everything, I think. New mat, Vantage, cutting mat. Gotta upgrade the size, I think. I think it's worth it. Gerber Parafreame. It's light, feels good in the hand. Cannot one-hand flick it, can't spidey flick it, can't do all that stuff. You can one-hand it, obviously. I just opened it one hand, but you can't like flick it. Nor should you be doing that with any knife, but I guess it'll loosen up. See, can't flick it. It'll open up over time, get looser. Mullet, DooHickee. DooHickee's pretty dope. Nope, didn't cut myself. All right, bottle opener, all that good stuff on DooHickee. So, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.